Welcome to another video from Made with Love by Hannah's from Hannah's Publishing, and today we're looking at the how-to of how to use our new Easter dot activity book. Well, if you want to see the whole video and a complete flip through, make sure to look at the video here and I will link it in the comments below as well. But for now, let me just focus on showing you how to use this dot marker book. I purchased these dot markers from Ohuhu, if that's how you pronounce it. And these are the perfect size for our little project. So I'll give you the link at the bottom below if you want to buy them together. Nice and easy, and then you at least know you're the right size, because apparently dot markers come in 3 different sizes. So if you have dot markers, these ones are about centimeter wide. So if you have those, then they will fit. Let me show you this yellow one. You just screw off the top. You see a little sponge, as you can see here. Nice and clean. And you need to squeeze the sides in order to make it work. Well, if you at the beginning, you'll see, look, there's nothing coming out. You need to squeeze a bit more, and then you see the pigment is coming on the sponge. And if you're trying to do this and there's not enough ink, you kind of just need to give it a squeeze or two. And I noticed when my 4-year-old was trying this in the beginning, he just needed a little bit of help to get started so the sponge would have enough pigment in it to get going. You can see the yellow works pretty well, but it bleeds through a tiny bit. So what I recommend you do is either cut here on the line or tear it. If you're careful, they come out quite well. Or put a board like I'm using for my own crafting here, or a little bit of thicker paper, to create nice artwork that's not as messy. But unfortunately, these pens sometimes come out with a whole lot of ink. More than you would expect. So you can of course leave them if it doesn't bother you, but you got options. As you can see, the pink one, I think the kids used a bit more, so it comes out a bit easier. And you see, it's the perfect size, these ones, and not managing to get them all 100% covered, but that's normal with these things, because of course we're practicing here for fine motor skills for me or for the kids or whoever is in need of practicing their fine motor skills. But these bunnies are a fun and educational way of practicing these skills. And if your kids are any like mine, they will be entertained for hours, which of course is not only fun, but also gives you the opportunity to do other things. I would recommend using these at the table and maybe covering up the table depending on how young the child is or how messy. Because I know I got a little mess monster. It's highly recommended to protect the surfaces. If they do make a mess, these markers that I bought are washable, so it would come out of clothes. My son did decide to put it on his hands. That took a bath to get that off. As you can see, they work quite nice bright colors. The pink, yellow and red work wonders here. Well, if you, again, sign up to the channel if you want to keep up to date and give us a like, and the links to purchase these items are below. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk soon.